Have you ever wondered why humans across the globe light up the night sky with fireworks, exchange gifts under decorated trees, or dance until dawn on specific days? Celebrations form the heartbeat of our shared human experience, marking milestones, honoring traditions, and bringing people together in joy. In this video, we explore the fascinating evolution of celebrations, from ancient rituals to modern spectacles. We will trace their origins, examine how they have transformed over centuries, delve into their cultural importance, and uncover some surprising details that might change how you view your next party. Join me as we journey through time and across cultures to understand why we celebrate the way we do. Celebrations have roots that stretch back to the dawn of human civilization. In prehistoric times, early humans gathered around fires to commemorate successful hunts or the changing seasons. These gatherings were not mere social events. They served as essential rituals to ensure survival and community bonding. Archaeological evidence from sites like Göbekli Tepe in Turkey suggests that as far back as 12,000 years ago, people constructed massive stone structures for ceremonial purposes, possibly to celebrate harvests or celestial events. As societies advanced, celebrations became more structured. In ancient Egypt, festivals honored gods like Osiris with processions, music, and feasting. The Nile's annual flooding was a cause for jubilation, symbolizing renewal and fertility. Similarly, in Mesopotamia, the Akitu festival marked the new year with reenactments of creation myths, reinforcing the king's divine authority. These early celebrations blended spirituality, agriculture, and governance, laying the foundation for how we mark time today. The Greeks and Romans elevated celebrations to an art form. The Olympic Games, starting in 776 BCE, were not just athletic competitions, but religious festivals dedicated to Zeus, complete with sacrifices, poetry, recitals, and communal banquets. Roman Saturnalia, held in December, involved role reversals where slaves dined with masters, gift-giving, and decorations with greenery elements that echo in our modern Christmas traditions. These ancient practices show that celebrations have always adapted to reflect the values and beliefs of their eras. Over time, celebrations evolved alongside human progress. The Middle Ages saw the rise of Christian feasts that absorbed pagan customs. For instance, the winter solstice festivals of Yule were Christianized into Christmas, incorporating evergreen trees and lights to symbolize eternal life. In Asia, the Chinese New Year, with its dragon dances and red envelopes, originated from legends of warding off monsters but grew to include fireworks. Invented during the Tang dynasty around the 9th century, the Renaissance and Enlightenment periods brought innovation through exploration and science. European courts hosted elaborate masquerade balls, showcasing wealth with fireworks displays powered by newly developed gunpowder techniques. In the Americas, indigenous celebrations like the Inca Inti Raymi Sun Festival influenced colonial hybrids, such as Mexico's Day of the Dead, which merges Aztec ancestor worship with Catholic All Souls' Day. The Industrial Revolution accelerated change. Mass production made decorations affordable, turning holidays like Halloween from Celtic harvest rites into commercial events with costumes and candy. Technology played a key role. The invention of electric lights in the late 19th century transformed New Year SEV in Times Square into a global spectacle with the iconic ball drop starting in 1907. In the 20th century, globalization and media revolutionized celebrations. Television broadcast events like the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, starting in 1924, turning local traditions into national phenomena. The internet era has further innovated, with virtual celebrations during pandemics, allowing people to connect via video calls for birthdays or weddings. Social media platforms now amplify personal milestones, turning them into viral trends with hashtags and filters. Today, innovations continue. Eco-friendly fireworks using drones create light shows without pollution, as seen in Sydney's New Year's displays. Personalized celebrations, like DNA-based ancestry parties or space-themed events inspired by private rocket launches, reflect our tech-savvy world. Celebrations adapt to societal shifts, incorporating inclusivity with gender-neutral baby showers or multicultural fusion festivals. Beyond joy, celebrations hold profound cultural significance. They reinforce social bonds, providing rituals that help communities navigate life's transitions, from births to deaths. Anthropologists note that shared celebrations foster a sense of belonging, reducing isolation in modern societies. In diverse cultures, they preserve heritage. For example, Diwali in India symbolizes the victory of light over darkness, promoting unity amid religious diversity. Economically, celebrations drive industries. The global holiday market, including gifts and travel, generates trillions annually, boosting economies from small artisans to major corporations. Psychologically, they offer mental health benefits by releasing endorphins through laughter and connection, countering stress and fast-paced lives. Politically, celebrations can unite or divide. National holidays like Independence Day commemorate freedom, instilling patriotism, while protests sometimes evolve into celebratory movements, as with pride parades that started as marches for rights. In essence, celebrations mirror society's values, evolving to address contemporary issues like sustainability and equality. Now for some fun facts that might surprise you. Did you know that the tradition of blowing out birthday candles dates back to ancient Greece, where they honored the moon goddess Artemis with round cakes, symbolizing the full moon? The smoke was believed to carry wishes to the gods. Another intriguing detail, the piñata, now a staple at children's parties, originated in China as clay pots filled with seeds for New Year's, later adapted by Aztecs for religious ceremonies, and eventually popularized in Mexico through Spanish influence. Surprisingly, champagne toasts began in the 17th century French courts, where the fizzy wine was seen as luxurious, but the clinking of glasses harks back to medieval times when it prevented poisoning by spilling drinks into each other's cups. One more, the Easter egg hunt has pagan roots in fertility symbols, with eggs representing rebirth, but the chocolate versions exploded in popularity after Cadbury introduced them in 1875, turning a simple tradition into a confectionery empire. As we reflect on the evolution of celebrations, it becomes clear that they are more than fleeting moments of fun. They connect us to our ancestors,